Today we are going to start Matplotlib. It's the Python package used for data visualization. Our data looks good in visualized form. The presentation of data or info in pictorial or graphical form is done through Matplotlib in Python. It's a complete package. Okay. So this is used for 2D graphics, and we have various types of plot like bar graph, histograms, scatter plot, pie plot, hexagonal bin plot, and area plot. So we are going to see each one of them one by one. Okay, so let's just go through one basic. Like here I have plotted my one graph. So what we have to do, okay, first thing you have to do, here I am doing everything in Jupyter Notebook. So first of all you will have to check if Matplotlib is installed or not. Okay, so you can see if not installed, you have to go to the Anaconda prompt. Through Anaconda I am going, as I had installed whole Anaconda. So through this prompt you have to write here, okay, you have to write here conda install Matplotlib and then enter. So it will show like this: collecting package done, then this, the following packages will be downloaded, and it will ask to proceed, then you have to press Y. Okay, so this will be downloaded, so you have to download. So that is already downloaded, so here it's showing downloaded. So first of all you have to do the installation of Matplotlib through this, okay, terminal. So what you have to do is just write that one line, conda install Matplotlib. Okay, now we are ready to use this in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so this is a very basic so here what we have to do is, from Matplotlib we have to do the necessary imports, then use the plot function to generate the graph, and then using show function we will show the whatever it has been plotted. So you can see from you have to, this is the first line from Matplotlib. From this package you have to import pyplot as plt. Here you can write here 1 plt, 1 plt2, whatever you want, as xyz, whatever. Okay, so I have used plt. Okay, now we will use our plot function. Okay, and these are the two arguments. Okay, here I have passed my coordinates in the form of list. Okay, means 1 2 3 is one list, 4 5 8 is another list. So these are two lists have been passed to plot functions, and through plt we are means, okay, so plt dot plot will plot this graph, and then plt dot show function will show the graph. Okay, okay, so next let's see another one example. So our first line is same again. You have to write from matplotlib import. This is the first line of importing pyplot as plt. Okay, this is the import has been done. Now let's define one variable x. This is a list. So this is the the format of list. So here I am taking 3 coordinates 5 8 4, then define another variable y list. Here I am taking some coordinates 6 12 3. Okay, now I'm going to use my plot function. So using plt we are calling plot function. So plt dot plot, and in the arguments I am passing my x and y variable, so x comma y here. So our graph has been plotted. Now if you want to see the graph, then you have to use show function, and using plt we are calling show function again. Now press shift plus enter. So here you can see the graph has been plotted, right? 3.5 comma 6. Okay, so now I want one title here, x-axis written here, y-axis written here, so that all things can also be done. So you can see, after plotting the graph, we want to give our graph a title. Okay, so we will do it using title function. So again, call the title function using plt. So plt dot title, this is our function, title, and here, sorry, well, you can write whatever you want, whatever title you want to give. So write demo. Again press shift plus enter. So you can see the title has come, demo. Okay, now I want to give x-axis and y-axis name as well. So for the function is y label and x label. Okay, so let's call both of them one by one. So using plt, let's call the y label function. So y label. So these are very basic and very easy things. Again, the arguments of y label is y. Let's write here y-axis. So whatever you are going to write, that will be displayed in the y-axis. Again, I'm here, I want x-axis name as well. So x label is the function. Let's call the function and pass the argument here, x-axis. Okay, so plot title, everything has been done. Now just press shift plus enter. Now you can see here your title has been given, y-axis, whatever you wrote here has come here, and your x-axis, and then show. Okay, so this is one basic example. Let's now switch to some more examples. वीडियो कहाँ गया? Yeah. Okay, so we are here. Okay, so I think there was some issue. Okay, so let's now move on to the next one. Again, the same, we have the same here. What we are doing is we are adding some style, like I want my graph in some particular color, I want a grid in the background, and I want one highlighter, and then I want the width of the line to be changed as well. So now we are making a beautiful graph. Okay, so again, so first we have to do same thing. We have to import from Matplotlib, we have to import pyplot. So from this package called Matplotlib, and we have to import pyplot, and I will name this as plt. Okay, and again, now since we have to add style, so we will have to import style as well. So from